Having clear goals at work is an important part of ensuring that employees continue to develop their skills and the organisation moves in the right direction. And yet, so many people find the annual performance review process stressful and off-putting, instead of an opportunity to celebrate progress and focus on the future. And that's because the annual process doesn't cater for what motivates and excites each of the personality types. Hello, I'm Samantha Mackey, lead trainer at Truity, and I remember all too well the anxiety-inducing experience of performance reviews. So today, we're going to take a quick look at what each of the 4 temperaments need so managers can personalize performance goals in a way that employees are more likely to embrace them. Now, as a reminder, the 4 temperaments are Guardians, Artisans, Rationals, and Idealists. And before we begin, if you aren't sure about your team's personality types, check out Truity at Work's personality assessments to learn more. Firstly, the Sensor-Qudgers or Guardians. These are the hard-working traditionalists, highly organised with a deep sense of loyalty to the organisation. Comfortable with structure, Guardians appreciate the one-off end-of-year performance review where everything can be gathered together and considered in one place. They need concrete performance metrics tailored to their own work situation. Targets need to be specific, as they will ignore any goals that leave too much to the imagination. And goals need to include clear steps, expectations, and outcomes for them. Sensing perceiving types, or artisans, need something a bit different. Artisans are the people of your organisation, energetic, spontaneous, full of enthusiasm, and like to voice an opinion. They are practical, hands-on troubleshooters, and they are less structured, organised, or punctual than other types. They prefer their feedback in real time, so the once-a-year approach really doesn't suit them. They need specific goals with regular check-ins so they know you are happy with them and their performance. Make sure any goals have clear deadlines and why it's valuable to other team members to complete it. Intuitive thinking types or rationals are both logical and innovative. They have a never-ending stream of ideas and work hard to make them reality. They are motivated by opportunities to develop mastery and specialize in something that interests them. In a performance review process, they need goals that will stretch them without being impossible. They value straightforward goals or targets geared towards specific future situations, as they work best when they can see how their individual efforts fit into the big picture. Make sure they're appraised by someone they respect, or they will not take the feedback seriously. And finally, intuitive feeling types or idealists are the open-minded peacekeepers of your organisation. They value relationships and cooperation and are the last to be involved in confrontation or conflict. They have a preference for ideals over practicalities and often struggle to make the tough decisions out of fear of upsetting someone. Idealists like to feel like they are being supported and work hard to make others feel the same. Given idealists focus on harmony, any performance review should be done in a non-judgmental, friendly manner, preferably from someone they have a good relationship with. Motivated to improve themselves, performance goals should place their ideals at the heart of the goal. For example, encouraging tolerance for debate and conflict, translating their ideals into practical action plans, or balancing their ideals with analysis in their decision making. Whatever your personality type, keep your team's personality types in mind when creating goals or giving feedback. Identifying the right performance goals for your people takes time, but get it right and you're well on your way to nurturing a performance culture of continuous growth and development without offending anyone in the process. If you want to learn more about your team's personality types, check out Truity at Work's user-friendly portal. It will help you discover your colleagues' personality types and how to apply them at work.